guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recording my braid takedown. You're going to need a pair of scissors to start. Any pair of scissors is fine. I'm then going to use my favorite brush. Next we're going to use a detangler. I use Cantus. That's just what I have. You then want a spray bottle with either water or water and conditioner mix. And then lastly, you're just going to want like a thicker comb to help comb out any knots that you may have. So here, I'm just going to use a hair tie to pin up the braids while I take some down. This is just going to make the process easier, getting some of that unneeded hair for the moment out of the way. And once that is going on, I'm just going to cut them a little longer than the length of your hair, just to make sure that you're not cutting your actual hair. My hair is shoulder length, so that's why I cut them about to my shoulders. And here again, you're just going to put that hair up to get that excess hair out the way, and you want to take this one braid at a time. So here I'm just finishing up with that braid, and what was easy for me to do was for me to just spray. I just use water. I'm going to spray some water and just gently work my fingers through to help loosen up that hair. Alright, next guys, I'm going to take my Cantus detangler and I'm going to work that through my hair just to help again detangle my hair and loosen up those knots. They're going to go in with the Rattail comb to ensure that the knots are indeed gone, and then follow up with my brush just to make sure that I'm getting my hair as knot free as I can. And again, when you're brushing, you definitely want to start at the ends and work your way up. And then I'm just going to comb it through with a bigger comb. That's about the hair that I lost in that particular section. As you know, you are going to lose a few strands of hair just due to dead hair, so that is expected. And then this is just me repeating the process. I'm going to take out that braid. We're going to first add some water, work our hands through there. As I went on, I started to add more water because that definitely helped. As you know, our hair loves water, so it definitely helped me to just spray a little bit more water than I had in the beginning. And then we're going to, after we work our hands through that water, we're going to use our Cantus detangler to again help loosen up our hair. Then you want to follow through with your brush and with the comb if you so choose. And then next, just to make sure, you want to take a Rattail comb and just follow through, but please only do this after you've brushed or at least combed with a thicker comb, because you definitely don't want to pull out your hair with a Rattail comb. And then as you can see, well, I can tell that my hair has grown a lot. Like, I'm low-key really hype right now, really hype. My hair has grown a lot from the braids. And I'm sleepy. I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. And for this section, you're just going to see me do everything up close, since it's on one of the braids that was on my crown. This whole process took me about 3 hours to do, and I'm lazy, so I did not wash my hair until the following morning. So if that happens to you, what I did was, as I was taking out braids, I waited for a slightly bigger section, and I just twisted those sections. So I probably had about like 8 to 9 twists on my head, just to make sure, because you definitely don't want to like put your hair up in a hair tie after taking out braids, because those knots are just gonna come back, honestly. So I just took individual sections at the end and twisted them, and then you'll see how I did it in a few. Alright guys, this is the following morning, right before I washed my hair, and again, this is how those twists look, just big. Just want to make sure that we're not tying our hair back up to get knotted. Again, that's why we do it individually. Yes, it's a process, but it will pay off in the end, I promise you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I take out my braids as most effectively as I can. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you for tuning in, guys. My name is Kishana, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you.
Baby, the sound of you is better than a heart.